Don't get hung up on I have to join a gym, or I need these kind of weights or that weight or this equipment or that equipment. I'm going to give you 4 exercises today. If you do these exercises throughout the day, when you get a chance, when you have a minute or two, do these exercises every day. And you're going to see you can transform your body. You can really get in good shape. The 4 exercises are: number 1, chin-ups. Chin-ups, number 1. Number 2, push-ups. Okay, with push-ups, great for your chest, your shoulders, your arms, and also your core. Because when you're doing push-ups, you know, maintain that straight line. And then while you're doing push-ups, sometimes just hold it there. Hold it for a minute or two, and you're really benefiting your core. Third exercise, squats. And you don't need weight. You know, if you do these throughout the day, you may end up doing 100 squats a day. You're going to see tremendous results. Okay, the last exercise, Supermans. When you did the push-ups, you're working your anterior core. You're working the front of your core when you're doing those plank positions, okay? So now we want to work posterior, okay? So Supermans are a great way. Now there's a couple of ways to do them. You can do it like this. Start on all fours and go this way, and you can hold that up to a minute like that. Same thing on this side, or you can go flat down on the ground and just raise up. And you'll really feel that in your lower back. And that's basically it. You can use like kickbacks as well, where you're just trying to kick that leg up as high as you can. Good for the glutes. So those are the 4. Do those every day. and you're going to see you can transform your body in 1 month. You're going to start to see nice results. So the bottom line is, you don't need the gym, you don't need weights, you don't need all that. What you need is the desire and the motivation to do it for yourself. Just do it for yourself. Help your body stay strong. So, and as you go out throughout your day, you know, you may be doing less. You know, you may, instead of 10 chin-ups, you're only doing 5 or whatever. But if you can do at least 5 of any exercise, you're really pushing the envelope a little. You're going to see some nice results. So even if you did 5 chin-ups, 5 push-ups, 5 squats, but you did it, you know, 10 times a day, you know, anytime you have a minute. You know, I know, like with me, I go shopping sometimes with my wife. We go food shopping. And she, you know, sometimes we'll go into the store and I'll be in the parking lot, and what am I doing? Push-ups, squats. You know, people may think it's a little strange, but, you know, I like to use time available and put it to good use. You know, buy out that opportune time to build up your body and keep it strong. So please give me a like on this video. Please subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so that you're notified anytime I put up a video. All the best, guys. To your health success. Take care.